Hello po, Tita S. Happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi. God bless.
God bless po, tita.
Happy birthday, Mama S! Dual citizen ka na! Lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko. Para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko. Para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko. Happy birthday, Mama S! Senior ka na.
Hi Mama Esther, happy birthday. I wish you good health, wealth, and all the good things in life. God bless you and enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Esther. Nasa Tigaytay ako. Nasi-swimming ako. Happy birthday, Mami Esther. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Esther. May God bless you and happy June.
Happy birthday, Tita S. May God bless you and give you more happiness in life. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Esther! God bless po!
Hello, Ate Esther. Happy birthday. Wishing you a best good health and more good memories with your family. We miss you. I hope enjoy your birthday with your family and friends. Happy birthday. Mabuhay from Canada, Lucy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tita Esther. Happy birthday to you.
2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Tita Esther. I can't wait to see hearts and loves and kisses.
Give
Mwah.
kiss. Give kiss.
I already did.
Give kiss. Give kiss. Wait.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Now can we go out to Rana?
Ay, hello friend! Happy birthday! Ano ba yung sasabihin? More birthdays. Oh, more birthdays to come. Thank you. Esther Salapanta. Happy birthday sa'yo. More birthday to come.
Hindi ka sa video.
God bless.
Hello sis Esther. Pasko. Alam ko Pasko eh. happy 60th birthday sis. Stay humble, kind, and syempre beautiful. Yan, kailangan always beautiful ka para hindi natin senior, di ba? Mababa pa yung buhay natin sis. Umpisa pa lang yan. Okay? Okay, God bless you more. God bless you indeed. God bless you even more and more and more.
Hi, my lovey loves. Esther Salapanta. My friend, my kumare. Happy and blessed birthday to you, my dear. Ang greet ko sa'yo, more blessing to come. Good health. At syempre, still pretty. I love you. Happy birthday.
Birthday po, Lola S. We love you. We miss you. Happy birthday po. Birthday, Lola S. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday, Lola S. Happy 60th birthday. We love you.
Hi ate, congratulations. You deserve your 6-0. So Rana texted me yesterday and she said, it's okay for you to give greetings to my 60th birthday of my mom. Then he said, yeah, it's okay, no problem. Then I was thinking, paano bang mag-greet ng 60th birthday? Sabi ko, parang mahirap yata yun. Then, okay. Ate, happy birthday. Sana nasa mabuting kalagayan good health, also to your whole family, and enjoy your life dahil may kasabihang kalabaw lang ang tumatanda. So happy birthday and God bless, long life, and God bless you all. Thank you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Tita Esther, we love you.
Happy birthday, tita. God bless po.
See you soon.
Hi, Tess. Happy birthday. Happy 60. Very young. Okay, happy birthday. Love you. God bless.
Hi, Esther. Tita LP. I'm sending you peace and blessing on your special day from Kelowna. Wow, I can't believe you're turning 60 years old. How time flies. Well, my wish for you is may our Lord Jesus and Blessed Mother, Mary, continue to watch over you and protect you always. I'm praying for your good health in mind, body, and spirit. May your special day be filled with many blessings, joy, peace, strength, love, and faith. Thank you for being the warm and caring niece you are to me always, especially when I got home to the Philippines. Wishing you a blessed and happy 60th birthday. God bless. Love you so much. Take care. I wish I'm there, but my spirit will be there celebrating with you. Take care, and hope to see you in the future, maybe after Christmas. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye now.
Hello, Mama. Surprise! Happy 60th birthday. Alam ko nagulat ka. Alam ko sobrang saya mo dahil akala mo wala kaming something for you, but yeah, we did it. Ang hirap mo i-surprise actually kasi nagagalit ka na sa akin. Oh my gosh, nagagalit ka na. Joke. Ang wish ko sa'yo, stay healthy, more blessings to come, and take care of yourself. Always mag-iingat, and thank you for all your sacrifices that you did for us, na alam mo na yon, na sobrang ano mo ba, nakailang video na ako, more than 20 na siguro to. Pang second day ko nang nagbibideo. Ayos pa ka ng hair. Charot. So, enjoy your celebration with everyone. And I hope you like our regalo for you. And what else? And I love you and I miss you so much.
Magandang umaga, anak. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na, anak? 60. Ang edad ko noong ipanganak kita, 30 ako. Ay, nakadami na pala ako na, anak. Bali, 4 na kayo. Pero ikaw ang anak kong sakitin. Kaya siguro makakalimutin ka. Kaya ngayong senior ka na, mamayang gabi, senior ka na mamaya, diretso na, senior ka na, pag-isipan mong mabuti, Dahil lang sa 60 ka na, malapit ka nang magkaroon ng pera galing sa gobyerno, kaya dapat masaya ka. Magkakaroon ka ng pensyon na hindi mo pinaghirapan. Kaya lagaan mo yung sarili mo para nun lagi kang makakatanggap ng pera hanggang sa makatanggap ka ng 100,000,000. Di ba maganda yon? Kaya ingat-ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Okay, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless and keep you always. Have a good day. I love you. Stay as sweet as you are. See you.